In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a modern dashboard UI in Figma, full course. We're going to move quickly and clearly using an AI-assisted workflow to draft a clean, modern dashboard layout that you can refine and extend. To start, open the Figma website in your browser. Figma's web app gives us fast access to AI features that can generate a strong foundation for our dashboard. Once the site is open and you're in your workspace, open your design file. This is the project where the generated dashboard will live, so make sure you've selected the right file or the space where you want the layout to be created. Next, look for the Actions menu and then choose Plugins. Actions is your shortcut to extended functionality, and plugins are how we tap into tools that speed up the design process. Inside the Plugins area, you'll see a search bar. Type AI Design. This is the tool we'll use to describe the dashboard we want and have the system create it for us. You'll be taken to an interface with a prompt field. This is where the real magic happens. In your prompt, be clear, specific, and practical. Describe the purpose of the dashboard and who it's for, such as a product analytics dashboard for a SaaS team. List the main areas you need: a sidebar with navigation, a top header with search and user menu, and a main canvas with cards, charts, tables, and filters. Mention the visual style you want: modern, minimal, generous spacing, 8-point grid, rounded corners, subtle shadows, and a muted color palette with a standout accent color. Specify typography preferences like a clean sans serif with clear hierarchy for headings, subheads, and body text. If you want light or dark mode, say so. If responsiveness matters, note breakpoints and how cards should reflow on smaller screens. You can also request specific components, like a KPI row with 4 metric cards, a line chart for weekly active users, a bar chart for top features, a sortable data table, a date range picker, and tags for status filters. Use plain language, and imagine you're giving a brief to a teammate. Once your prompt is complete, give the system a moment. The AI will generate the dashboard based on your instructions. Review the result, and if something isn't quite right, refine your prompt with clearer details or different component requirements. This approach quickly gets you a solid, modern dashboard structure that you can polish, align to your design system, and adapt to your project's needs. That's the core workflow: simple, fast, and effective.